Guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. This is part 2 of setting up your Gumroad store and your two-step funnel. So you already went ahead and did your product. You created a new product on your store. We set it up as a freebie. We did 25 only. We have it all set up for people to purchase, and it is ready to go. We filled in our description. We uploaded our link to our freebie that someone can buy. So it's good to go, right? So what happens once they purchase your freebie? We're going to go over to customers. And then we are going to go over to this little known button here that you may not be used to seeing that says workflows. You may have not ever paid attention to the workflows. So let me tell you two different type of workflows that you need. So you need a welcome email. So I have a welcome email that I started a few months ago. So far there's been 247 welcome emails sent. 111 opens and 16 clicks. So I'm just going to hit edit, and I'm going to go over here to my welcome email, and I'm going to hit edit. So here is just what my welcome email looks like. I basically explain who I am. I have information about how I can help, what you will get from my page. I talk about how you can follow me on Instagram. I share a free video in my welcome. It's about no excuses, which explains what type of teacher I am, or someone who helps out. It just explains my personality when it comes to me doing courses and tutorials. And that is pretty much it in my welcome email. So anytime a new customer buys something from my store, they get this welcome email, right? So that's awesome. Also, for a few more of my courses, my freebies here, my Manifest That Shit freebie, they get something. I have a daily planner sheet, and after they get the daily planner sheet, I have a actual whole planner now that I can send to them. So I want to show you guys, if someone wants to download my free daily planner, immediately 1 hour later, they would get this email with the link to buy the full daily planner that has an additional sheet inside, and it kind of it shows them. So this is the freebie that they download, but it's not in book form. So I created it and turned it into a book, and this is what they have, and they can purchase it. So let's go ahead and create our new workflow. So you want to get customers only, right? So they had to buy the test. So that freebie that we just created, this is what they had to buy. Okay, so, and it would be after today. So we would look at the calendar and we would start it today, because this is where we created our program. It's from anywhere, so it doesn't matter. And then, guys, give me 1 second. All right, guys, sorry about that. So, like I said, new customers, they had to buy the test product, started today. All right, so then we're going to name the workflow. So it'll be test product follow up. Of course, it's a test product, so I don't know what I can actually sell, but I wanted to make sure that I'm doing something. So then you will go to add email, right? So you need to figure out, when do you want them to get this follow-up to your funnel? Days, weeks, months. So let's say maybe you have a freebie that's a worksheet. So maybe you want to check on them 3 days after. You do 3 days after. If this is something that they were super interested to getting, and you want to automatically hook them, let's send this 1 hour after. So test product bundle. So we're going to offer them a test product bundle. You can set this up by adding a picture here of the bundle. And then also, when you write something, I want to show you guys here, test product bundle. You can highlight this, and then you can turn it bold, headliners, semicolons for different bullet points and all of that stuff, okay? All right, so we're going to do the test product bundle. You get 3 products for $47. Make sure you write out your sales email. Make sure you have a call to action, maybe even an example of what the product looks like and how it can help them, right? So it needs to be immediate action on their part. Tell them how this will better serve them with the freebie. With the freebie, and now the bundle, you get XYZ more value, okay? So to entice it, purchase within 24 hours at this price, right? Or you can do a use coupon code test for 50% off. So those are 2 ways to entice them on what they will get, right? So then we need that call to action button. So buy bundle, and then you can have the bundle link here. That's not the bundle link, but you get what I'm saying. And then also, like I said, if you have a picture of the product, which I don't, but I'm going to use this test niche picture, and I'm going to put it here. So we would add a picture in this, set it all up, get it all nice, get ready for your test bundle, and then you would basically save it and publish it. So wait, I think I have to hit publish because I didn't. So we would publish it. So now when someone's buy that freebie within an hour, they will get the test bundle email to purchase that, okay? So also you can do workflows just for about anything and create a series of emails. So in your post section at the top, you have published and you have scheduled. So yesterday I sent out a $10 email for the starter pack templates here because I'm going to get rid of it. So I gave everybody a $10 coupon, right? So I sent that out yesterday, and then I went ahead because I want to make sure that everybody sees it, right? So now on the 25th, which is Friday, I will send out another email letting them know, okay, it's before I just said soon, it's going to be gone soon. And this email, I'm letting them know it will be gone by the end of the month. So that's the 25th. So we'll have about 7 days left. So same email, just a little bit more information, letting them know it'll be gone by the end of the month. Then I'm going to turn around on the 28th, which is a Monday, and leave a heading that says last chance. So it's leaving soon, which means it's 2 days, right? And then I added in, it's lots of choices in all KDP trim sizes. Just a little bit more enticing. So this is not a funnel, but this is an email series to sell something. So then on the last day of the month, which is September 30th, I'm saying final day, templates are leaving soon, so till midnight. So it'll be here till midnight for $10 only. Then I went in and add lots of choices in all KDP trim sizes and a little more enticing, easy to use templates. So you can set up these to schedule for a product that you are selling. Go in and create it and have it ready to go, just like you have an email marketing on MailChimp. Like you have a series of things that you want to sell, and you can do it right here on Gumroad. So Gumroad to me is one of the easiest systems to use. It has email marketing. You can sell, you can have a sale, you can have a flash sale, and you get paid weekly, which is amazing. And like I said, I do have the premium, but I really love it. I've been using them for almost like 2.5 years now. So I really enjoy using Gumroad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. teaching you guys how to do a two-step funnel with your freebie, also how to schedule a series of emails to sell something and catch the bait and hook them into making sure your payout is hefty every single week with Gumroad. So again, my name is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.